Hi, Carl Anderson here with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. This is a boat that was custom ordered, it's sold, and it is delivering soon. This has the blue gel coat with the blue graphics, split bow rail, full bow cushion set, 2 sets of cushions with 2 lockers beneath. Forward locker is the anchor locker, and you have a fish box behind that. Fishing package that includes the cooler seat with a cushioned backrest, tackle storage on the starboard side console. We've got the teak option here on the midship, standard high stern rails, the optional rear quarter seats that with the backrest that unplug, remove, fold up and stow away really nicely. You got a 150 Mercury 4-stroke, pushes this boat really well with great fuel economy. Teak on the swim platform as well, the telescoping boarding ladder. Custom done T-top from Whaler, it automatically comes powder coated, including 5 rocket launcher style rod holders that are welded in up top. You've got an overhead light as well. This leaning post has a backrest that adjusts to position fore or aft. You can see the multiple locking positions there. And then the helm seat also comes up to reveal either standard storage or, in this case, an optional live well. We've got a 9-inch Ray Marine, a Fusion Bluetooth stereo there on the right side, 2 cup holders, stainless steel steering wheel from Whaler. There are 2 more cup holders and charging ports for your devices just to the right of the compass. JL audio speakers come with that Fusion stereo. There are 2 on either side of the console, and then there's 2 more back at the transom. Battery switch, batteries, and general storage is inside the console. Great versatile boat from Boston Whaler, very comfortable and smooth ride. A boat that can be heavily fished, but is also very comfortable for the family. If you have any questions about this model or any of our others from Whaler, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and check us out online at marinemax.com. And again, this is Carl Anderson. Thanks for watching.